That is a point. A point is an exact location in space. It has no size, just a position. A position is usually represented by a point with a small dot and named with a capital letter. This is a point. An example of this is the star in the night sky, tip of your pencil, a single grain of sand, grain of rice. Isa pang example ay yung piraso ng mga salt. This is line. The line has no beginning and no ending, and it cannot be measured. Ang example ng mga ito ay railroad, mga daanan, road, at ang universe. Line segment. Line segment has a beginning and ending at pwede siyang i-measure. It can be measured. Ang example ng mga ito ay notebook, libro, books, mga table, door, or window na pwedeng i-measure. This is ray. Ito naman ay may beginning pero walang ending. Ang example naman ng mga ito ay flashlight, yung sunlight, at mga lights or ilaw sa bahay. Ito naman ay parallel lines. Ang parallel lines ay may dalawang line that cannot be meet. Example, edges of ruler. O kaya naman yung mga lines sa notebook. Pwede din naman yung ladder. Step sa ladder. Ito naman ay intersecting lines. Ito naman ay two lines na nagko-cross each other. So, ang kanyang line ay parang X. Ang example naman nito ay hands of a clock, lines formed by the streets, and seesaw. Lahat po yan ay naka-X ang line. Ito naman ay perpendicular line. Makikita nyo po na ang line niya ay pa-cross. Ito ay crossing form like a perfect corner. Kung ano po yung may mga perfect corner, yun po ay isang perpendicular lines. Ang example naman nito ay corner ng cube, corner of a book, and corner of the road. Na ang drawing niya ay cross.